focus on internships and your final year projects. So you might have a approach that final year projects are like time pass, but your final year projects are essential for clearing your interviews. Because let's say if you fumble or any technical question, you can actually switch over to your final year project and tell them that I did something like this in my final year project, and actually spearhead the direction of interview towards a way in which you can be comfortable in explaining things that you know. And secondly, I can tell that as a final year student, start having a good online presence. I mean, have a better LinkedIn profile, build a good network, because network is one thing that is often neglected but is an essential part of working in software development industry. Your network allows you to have better opportunities, have a lot of contacts in the industry, and actually have a better I can say a better growth in even your own company. So start having your online presence in terms of LinkedIn profile. Then you can start working on blogs or GitHub projects. Another thing, that let's say if you don't get internship for some reason, and it happens that most of the freshers are stuck like I didn't get internship, what will I do next to clear the interviews? In that case, what I can advise you all is that start building on creating your own projects. Even if they are basic, it's okay, because the reason being, when you are in an interview and let's say you say that you participate in some fest or technical event, that's okay, like 90% of the students do that. But you can be in the 10% of the criteria where you have actually worked on a live project, and you can actually explain your project, and that sets you apart. Thirdly, I can say that some time back there was a challenge called 100 days of machine learning or 100 days of code. So my tip would be start uh, working on this challenge if you get the time, like work on coding or improving your skill set for 100 days, working on each hour daily. Start showcasing your progress on social media sites like most of us are doing. Like you can take up 100 days of code challenge and just post your daily progress on social media sites and stuff. So again, that would improve your chances and network. And yeah, 100 days of code or ML could be a good challenge to take up during your final year days if you get the time, obviously, because there are a lot of things. And in the order, I can say that get internships, work on your final year projects. If not, then work on your GitHub and online presence. And also, if you get time, then go for 100 days of code or 100 days of ML challenge.